Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Help, guys. So today I'm going to show you how you can connect your GoDaddy domain to Shopify very quickly. So click on your domain. This is the main interface, by the way. So the moment you enter your main interface, your domain is already there. So click on the domain you want to connect to Shopify and scroll down here. You'll find more ways to grow, and under here you'll see connect your domain. As you can see, they have the Shopify logo already. So click on connect my site. So automatically send your domain. Yeah. So scroll down, and here we can find Shopify right here on online stores. So you just click on connect domain. So we're going to go now to Shopify, open up our Shopify account. From here, click online stores and then click on domains. Oops. There we go. So we're going to click on online store. So just click on domain. And here we want to connect with an existing domain. Let's enter our domain name there. So our domain name is techhelpguys.com. Helpguys.com. So next, click on next. That will identify it. Then just click on connect automatically or manually if you want to. But yeah, once you connect that automatically, let's wait for it to start to connect. If it does not connect automatically, then you can also connect it manually like this. And yeah, as you can see there, we have successfully connected our domain with Shopify. And that's it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do hit the like and the subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.